How to install Machine Cantas, the oil palm motorized cutter machine. Remember, please follow the rule and the guideline and take your safety first. Step number 1. Before the installation, please make sure that engine, throttle, pole, headset sickle, Allen key, screwdriver, spanner are ready and good to set up. Step number 2. Integrate engine and throttle and pole. But the first thing, connect throttle to engine by open the filter box. Connect cable throttle into engine by put it to housing hole. Tight the cable and make sure it's neat and tidy. Check the head control engine and the cable is on right position. After that, try the between engine and cable by pressing the throttle, either it push-pull on the head control engine. The head control engine will move directly after pressing the throttle. Then find 2-wire red and black at throttle and connect 2 wires on engine black and red, connect black to black and red to red. And please make sure it's neat. After the wire and the cable is connected, please close safe the filter box. Then before we put pole through engine and throttle, please loosen its screw at the head clutch drum engine and also throttle. Now we can install the pole through from throttle hole and push pole straight to the engine. Then please mind the hole on engine and pole in the right position. Arrange the appropriate position between engine and throttle. Move the throttle for positioning. After that, re-tighten the screws at clutch drum at engine and throttle screw. Please make sure the engine, pole, throttle in very good condition. Tie and tight for the next step, installation. Step number 3. Set up headset on pole from step 2. Attention. Please be careful on the blade point chisel or sickle. To connect headset, loosen it 3 screw first, then put headset on pole. Then insert safely headset to pole. Please be mind headset hole same position pole hole. Then screw tight both between headset to pole. Please headset neat and tidy. After all the equipment connected complete, please do check the telescopic function on the pole. Open the lock for pull out external pole and setting the height of the pole. Every pole model have a different maximum height that can extend. Then after set and setting the height of the pole, then close the lock at the pole to keep pole tight. Now our machine Cantas Etani are ready to work out. Thank you for watching.